So, good day everyone. Again, this is Ricky, and this time allow me to share this contact information management dashboard. So, we need to modify some information regarding this application. So, let's say, for example, I want to modify the Quantum 2025. So, instead of Quantum 25, the name must be Quantum only. So, okay, let's click this contact information, and then modify this one, this record, and change the name to Quantum. So let's say, for example, if I click this save button, possibly the Quantum 2025 become Quantum, right? So Quantum. And then we have a critical issue or priority here in this dashboard. So let's say, for example, I need to remove this critical. So critical is in the record Quantum, like this one. Critical, this one. So let's modify critical and change it to high. So high must be 6, while critical becomes 0. So 1 0, it will remove in this dashboard state, right? So 6, then the critical is gone. So thank you everyone, and I hope you learned something new.